Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to share with you TikTok hidden settings that you should know. So grab your phone, let's get started. TikTok hidden settings number 1. How to change language. Open your TikTok app, tap on profile, click on 3 dash, click on settings and privacy, click on language. There are 4 options: app language, preferred languages, translation language, always translate post. Click on preferred languages. You can choose Myanmar or others. After that, click on done. Click on translation languages. You can choose a language. After that, click on done. And you need to click here, always translate post. So it will translate English to Burmese. And click on app language. Select a language. If you select Burmese, so you will see that TikTok app language is in Burmese. TikTok hidden settings number 2. How to change personal account to business account. Open your TikTok app, tap on your profile, click on 3 dash, click on settings and privacy, click on account, click on switch to business account. Click on next, again click on next, again click on next, click on next. Now you can choose a category. What is your business account is about? You can choose personal blog, click on next. You can add your email or you can skip. You can add bio or you can skip. You can create video or maybe later. You're all set. Click on cross. Now your TikTok account is become business account. TikTok hidden settings number 3. How to switch your public account to private account. Open TikTok app, tap on profile, tap on 3 dash, click on settings and privacy, tap on privacy. You will see here private account. Click on private account. Alright guys, I think you learned something from this tutorial. If it is useful, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.